Hello and welcome to New Parenting Training. So today I'm going to compare these two machines, Burabi Smart Formula Machine and versus the Baby Brezza Formula Pro. Now I have done videos individually for these two machines. I'll put the videos link on top. You can go check it out. As far as for the Baby Brezza, they have 3 different formula machines. I have done a comparison between the 3. And I'll put the video link on top as well, so you can go check it out. Now, the only one I would prefer and I would recommend will be the Baby Brezza Formula Pro. The other two, the one with the Wi-Fi has a lot of app issue, and also the one with the Mini, that one is just not worth to get it. It just has a lot of downfall. Now, the best one of the 3 is the Baby Brezza Formula Pro. All right, so now let's talk about these two machines. From the physical appearance, the Burabi is a little bit shorter, but wider and compared to the Baby Brezza Formula Pro. Now, however, even though it's a little bit shorter, the water tank on the back, they hold the same amount of water. For the Burabi, holds 1500 ml. Now for the Baby Brezza, also holds 1500 ml of liquid. Unfortunately, it does not have a volume indicator on the back. It only shows a max line. But both this holds 1500 ml of liquid. Some other physical attribute of the Burabi is they have handle on the side where you can hold the machine up and transport it with both your hands. But unfortunately for the Baby Brezza, there's no handle on the side. But they do have wheels on the bottom that you can slide in and out in a corner. If you have this machine in a corner somewhere, it's easy to get in and out of. For the formula container, Burabi container is actually smaller than the Baby Brezza. Formula that I am using, this whole can holds 12.4 ounces. And once I pour it into Burabi, it has a little bit room left. But for the Baby Brezza, it has a lot more room left I can put formula in. Both this machine can accommodate different sizes of milk bottles. Now, as you can see here, I have 2 different sizes of Dr. Brown. One is 4 ounces, the other one is 8 ounces. So they are able to hold it with no issues. They also can adjust the height. So if you have smaller bottles, you can adjust the height to accommodate the different size of bottles. Now for the Dr. Brown, both this can hold it with no issues. All right, now it's time to make milk. Both this have different settings that you have to pick and choose before you start making milk. Now, once you have the formula into the container and water in the back for both these machines, and you can go onto their website and look for the particular formula that you want to use and find out the correct settings. Now, the formula I'm going to use today is this Gerber Good Start Sous Pro. Now, I found out from both their website the settings. Now, for Burabi, you have more steps that you have to put in. Now, for the CONC, is the concentrate, this you have to set. Default is at 12, but for this particular formula, I have to set it to 15. So there's you can increase and decrease on this side to change the setting. And also for you have to change the temperature. Default was at 50, and you can lower and increase depending on the setting that you require. As far as for the volume, I'm going to set it to 6 ounces. And now I'm going to put the tall bottle underneath. Now they do have a sensor. As you can see, there's a light blinking. So if there's no bottle underneath, you are not able to start. So I put this bottle underneath here. The red light will go off. The setting for this one is really simple. You just have to find out the powder setting. And for this particular brand of formula, its setting is at 6. And then temperature, I'm going to set medium. And then for ounces, I'm also going to set it to 6 ounces. Now, unlike the Burabi, this particular Formula Pro does not have a sensor underneath. The Wi-Fi version does. And so if you don't put a bottle underneath and you accidentally hit the start button, then the formula will going to come out. So make sure that you always have a bottle underneath before you hit the start button. Okay, so all the settings are done. Now let's start making some milk. So we're going to hit start here and then start here. Okay, so that's it. They are finished pretty quickly, but Baby Brezza was able to finish quicker than the Burabi. Now, both of them came out about the same amount. Now, I set it for 6 ounces, so this one, both of them came out to be roughly at 7 ounces. Now, you have to keep in mind 6 ounces is the water that's going to go in, and plus the formula that's going to go in as well. So you're going to see more than what you are asking for. So if you put 4 ounces, you're probably going to see like somewhere around 5 ounces of complete milk inside the bottle. So here is the result. So yeah, and both of them are really well mixed in. So this is really good. Okay, so yeah, they both work really well. So the last thing I want to talk about is the pricing. Now, Burabi retail price is over $220 usually. And for Baby Brezza, this machine is usually around almost $200. So there's a price difference. But at the time of filming right now, they both are selling for $189. So they are the same price. So my recommendation is whichever one of this costs less, then just go for that one, because they both are very capable machines. So anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.